If you encounter a situation where the drying function does not heat or there is no wind during drying, how should you determine the issue? First, the drying function can only be used when seated. Sit down first. After sitting down, press the drying button on the remote control. You can see the toilet starts the fan, and the toilet fan blows air normally. If there is no wind, then the toilet fan is malfunctioning. If there is no temperature, you need to check the wind temperature button on the remote control. If it's off, then there is no temperature. You need to adjust the temperature and set it to the third level. The red temperature is the highest temperature. Then test whether the current wind temperature is normal. If there is wind temperature, it means the heating function is normal. If there is no wind temperature, after adjusting to the highest temperature, then it indicates a problem with the toilet heating.